Ever wonder why some animals go to such incredible lengths for love? Let me introduce you to the birds of paradise. These guys are the undisputed kings of the dance floor in the animal kingdom. But why all the fancy footwork and flashy feathers? It's all about showing off for the ladies. For a male bird of paradise, a spectacular dance isn't just a performance. It's a resume. It tells the female, hey, look at me. I'm strong, healthy, and have amazing genes. They puff up their chests, flare out iridescent feathers you didn't even know were there, and perform complex, almost acrobatic routines. Each species has its own unique choreography, passed down through generations. The females are very picky judges. They watch every move, looking for the most vibrant colors and the most energetic, precise dancer. Only the best performer gets to pass on his legacy. It's nature's most glamorous dating show. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing animal facts.